Hi there. So if you're looking to get better results in your life, then it would be a really good idea to understand the law of attraction. And the law of attraction states that that which is like unto itself is drawn. And what that really means is like whatever our vibration is, that we attract according to our vibration. And so sometimes what we do is we push things away, we repel instead of attracting what we want. And instead of when we don't think properly about what we want and we think about what we don't want, then what we're really doing is we're repelling and we're getting rid of the opportunity to accept what we really want instead. And by hanging on to that vibration of not having that which we want, then we'll never be able to get what we really want. And so with the law of attraction, the real trick to law of attraction is to move into this space as if you have that which you want already. So you have to vibrate. So you have to vibrate at the same vibration that you'd vibrate as if you had that thing that you want. So if you had a want that you wanted a body size that was, say, 25 pounds less than what you are today, then you have to match the frequency or vibration that you'd become to be that. So you have to become that person, and then your body will shift and catch up to that reality. So the law of attraction attracts its vibration, it attracts similar vibrations to it. So when you focus on what it is that you want and you have that positive vibration as if you had that, then you can't but help to manifest what you want. And that's how the law of attraction works. Anyways, for more content, make sure that you hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, have a good one.